this. China says it may penalize one U.S. car company for running what they call a monopoly. Douglas Holtz-Eakin is with us now, American Action Forum. Look, Doug, without getting into the specifics here about which car company might come under pressure, it seems like China is pushing back in response to Donald Trump's statements about China and his call to Taiwan. This is pushback, and it's happening now, right?
Yeah, I think that's exactly right. You know, Mr. Trump's been very effective at using the bully pulpit during his campaign, and now he's turned it on China, and you can be sure the Chinese are making a plan to retaliate if they feel appropriate, and this is a shot across the bow.
Do you think it's, are you worried about this? I mean, could this develop into something really big that affects trade between the two countries and affects our economy and theirs and the markets?
I think the concerns you hear, particularly out of the business community, come from the fact that there are companies with big stakes in the Chinese market and fear that they could be the targets of retaliation. I think the other thing to worry about is just what is the strategy? What is the end game that Mr. Trump is pursuing? We have known for years that, you know, we need a way to get China to honor its international obligations. Previous administrations had strategies to do that. I think people would like to see the game plan and know where Mr. Trump is heading would give them some comfort.
Now, you've not always been a Trump guy, and I don't know whether you are now or not, but do you approve of his straightforward approach with China, the dramatic change with the call to Taiwan? Now, do you approve of this?
I think we needed a change. I mean, let's be quite blunt. Previous attempts to get China to play well economically and strategically with the rest of the world haven't been entirely successful. There's no point in repeating a failed strategy, so I welcome this. As I said, I, like everyone else, love to see the larger game plan. You know that the Chinese are thinking 2, 3, 4 steps ahead. I presume he is as well. I'd just like to know exactly how this is going to play out.